Hello my dear students. In the last video we have seen about the circle, what is radius, what is mean by the diameter and what is mean by the circumference, how to find the circumference of a circle. Now in this video we'll be going to learn about the central angle and the measure of an arc and how to measure the circle and how to measure a measurement of arc. Okay, so what is mean by arc? First we'll see I'll draw a circle for you. This is center point O. Now I'll draw a one chord over here. It is denoted by AY, and suppose one more point is there, X, and here B. Now see this, the chord divides the circle. This chord AY, this chord has divided the circle into two parts, this upper part and this lower part, this and this. Now this full part which is ABY, this part is called as arc. This ABY and this AXY, this is called an arc. So now you can see this ABY has a big round, means it is a long process, and it has this is called as a major arc. This ABY is called a major arc as it covers so much of a circular part, means it covers lot of part of a circle, so it is called as a major arc. And this AXY, this covers only small part of a circle, so it is called minor arc. This is called major arc, that is ABY arc, ABY, and this is called minor arc, AXY, as it covers small area of a circle. So understood, major arc and minor arc. Now see one more very important things we are going to learn. Now see what I'll do. This is the circle. Now this is the center point. Now what I'll do, I'll draw two rays. This is O, this A, this is B. Now angle made by these two rays with the center is 70 degree. Okay, 70 degree, that is major angle AOB is 70 degree with the center. Okay, now to find the minor arc, the arc measurement will be the how much the angle which is made with the help of, if you'll see this, I'll give a point Y. This is angle AOB, and this with this, in this angle there is a small arc, this arc is there, AYB. So this, the angle AOB includes the arc AYB, means it is opposite, this arc is opposite to angle AOB because it is in front of that. So this major arc, so or minor arc, you can say, arc AYB will be the center 70 degree. It is equivalent or equal to the angle made with the center by the two rays. Okay, understood. The arc which is included in the given angle made with the center of the circle is equivalent to the given measurement. Okay. Now next, one more thing. Now next is how to find the measurement of a major arc. Now see, I'll do one. This is center, center. Now this is an angle. Suppose this is O. Now this is P O Q. And this Y. This is the PYQ is the minor arc. Okay, minor arc PYQ, and it is 80 degree. Now we have to find the measurement of this arc PEXQ. P, this is X, this X, and Q. We have to find major arc, measurement of major PXQ. So how to find? What you will do, you will 36 minus 360 degree minus major arc measure of the corresponding minor arc. Corresponding minor arc means this P by B, corresponding, or whatever it may be given. So it's given 80 degree. So 360 minus 80, how much? How much it will be? 280 degree. Okay, 280 degree. So this is how this is. Now very important, the measure of a circle, of a complete circle, is 360 degree. This full circle is of 360 degree. If you'll divide it in two equal parts, see, if you will divide, this will be the 180 degree and this will be the 180. This is called half circle. Half circle measures 180 degree, and both, if whole circle measures 360 degree. Keep in your mind, the measure of a full circle is 360 degree. Hope you have understood this. Now we'll go for the practice set 43, which is very important as for your unit test second. Question is given, choose the correct option if arc AXB. Hope you have understood. We'll stop here, then